move on to our next topic, that is meaning of financial statements. So, the financial statements are formal annual reports through which the financial management or the corporate management of the business communicates financial information to the owners and to the external users. So, financial statements are the formal annual reports through which the financial management of the business communicates financial information to the owners and to the external users. Now, who are this financial management and what is this financial management? Let us know. So, financial management is also known as corporate management. In the financial management, the management deals and analyzes with money or investment of the business. So, financial management will deal and analyze with the money and investment of the business or company.